Alright guys, I just got all my lunch packed. I'm gonna head to work because I'm gonna be late, so I will see you guys when I get off. Bye. Hi guys, so I just got off of work. It's 4 o'clock. I have to take Madison to her dentist appointment, which is at 4:45. So I got her ready. We were about to leave. Brushed her teeth, brushed her hair, stuff like that. So I'm about to go do that, and then it's my uncle's birthday, so I'm gonna be taking him to dinner tonight. So I'll insert some clips in about 5 seconds and show you guys footage from that. But yeah, that is all that's happening today. Work went by extremely slow, which sucked. Hi guys, so we just got back from dinner like maybe an hour ago. Then I got distracted with cleaning, and now I'm finally gonna edit a video real quick before I go to bed. It's gonna be a, what is in my Louis Vuitton Speedy B25. Yeah, so I'm gonna film that, organize my desk a little bit. This house is just like really messy, and I'm feeling overwhelmed because I just like never really let my house get super messy, and it is. And I lack a lot of motivation. So I'm like so overwhelmed right now because I'm just like, oh, why do I suck at cleaning? I don't understand it. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna try to straighten up this desk and edit a video. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end the vlog right here, guys. I'm super tired, and I drank like a espresso drink. Ugh. I'm just like, I needed to drink something because I was just feeling really like bleh. So yeah, I drank an espresso drink, and now I'm going to do what I need to do. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.